Number 1. 1985 Ford F250, price $19,995. It has been driven approximately 108,000 miles and is equipped with a desirable 4-speed manual transmission. Finished in a classic tan exterior with a matching tan interior, this gasoline-powered pickup is powered by the reliable 300 inline 6-cylinder engine, a combination well known for its durability and dependability. Originally from Oregon, the truck retains its original paint and remains exceptionally solid throughout. The body is straight and clean, while the interior has been well preserved and remains in great condition. Factory equipped with power windows, power door locks, power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning, this F250 offers a comfortable driving experience, although the AC is currently not functioning. The factory floors and frame are both solid, and the truck runs and drives very well, making it a clean, well-maintained classic pickup that is in excellent condition inside and out. Number 2. 1986 Ford F150, price $21,995. It has been driven only 26,000 miles and is equipped with a desirable 4-speed manual transmission. Finished in a classic gray exterior paired with a bold red interior, this rear-wheel drive pickup is powered by a fuel-injected 5.0L, 302 cubic inch, V8 gasoline engine that delivers dependable performance and the unmistakable sound of a classic American truck. It also features power steering, power brakes, and an AM/FM stereo. This F-150 has been exceptionally well preserved and remains a beautiful original truck that reflects the quality and durability of Ford's classic pickups. It runs and drives well, with its original styling and well-kept condition making it stand out wherever it goes. The combination of low mileage, an original drivetrain, and desirable factory equipment makes this truck an excellent opportunity for collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone looking to own a clean, honest, and increasingly sought-after vintage pickup. Number 3. 1955 Chevrolet pickup, price $22,500, powered by a dependable 283 small block V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. This truck delivers reliable performance and a classic driving experience. The engine is equipped with a new Holley carburetor to help ensure smooth operation, while the new dual exhaust system enhances both performance and the truck's signature V8 sound. Additional features such as power steering, power brakes, and upgraded front disc brakes make it easier and more enjoyable to drive than many classic pickups of its era. This gasoline-powered 1955 Chevrolet pickup has been driven approximately 2,000 miles and is finished in a timeless white exterior with a gray interior. It starts easily, runs strong, and drives exceptionally well. Recent updates include new side glass, new vent windows, and a new carpet and headliner, although the carpet and headliner have not yet been installed. Number 4. 1997 Toyota pickup, price $25,900. It has been driven approximately 77,000 miles, 125,000 kilometers, and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in an attractive forest green exterior with a well-kept gray interior, this diesel-powered pickup is equipped with Toyota's legendary 2.4L2 LTE turbo diesel engine, paired with a smooth automatic transmission and a selectable 4-wheel drive system. Its double cab configuration, Hilux-badged roll bar, and timeless styling make it both practical and visually appealing. This truck has been exceptionally well maintained, featuring a rust-free body, a mint-condition interior, and a mechanically sound drivetrain that runs and drives exactly as it should. The attractive forest green paint further enhances its overall appearance, while its solid mechanical condition ensures it is ready for daily driving, off-road adventures, or demanding work duties. Combining legendary Toyota reliability, a robust turbo diesel engine, selectable 4WD capability, and outstanding overall condition, this truck is a highly desirable truck that is well prepared to provide many more years of dependable service for its next owner. Number 5. 1986 Chevrolet 1500, price $27,500. It has been driven approximately 85,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a striking red exterior with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered pickup has been restored to an excellent standard and remains in exceptional overall condition. This southern truck has been carefully preserved throughout its life, featuring a laser-straight body with no dents and absolutely zero rust. With fewer than 800 miles on its complete restoration, it offers the appearance and driving experience of a freshly rebuilt classic pickup. Under the hood, the truck is powered by a newly built 350 V8 engine fitted with a mild performance cam and paired with a newly rebuilt automatic transmission. It has also been upgraded with new headers, a dual exhaust system, and an engine bay filled with new components, reflecting the thoroughness of the restoration. The drivetrain performs exceptionally well, delivering smooth acceleration, precise shifting, dependable braking, and a confident driving experience. Combining its fresh mechanical build, rust-free Southern heritage, and outstanding cosmetic condition, the Chevrolet 1500 is a well-sorted classic that is ready to be enjoyed by its next owner. Number 6. 1995 Toyota pickup, price $31,900. It has been driven just 26,000 miles, approximately 41,000 kilometers, and is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in a silver exterior with a gray interior, this diesel-powered pickup is fitted with Toyota's dependable naturally aspirated 2.8-liter 3L diesel engine, delivering the durability and reliability for which the Hilux is renowned. Configured as a single-cab, long-bed model with selectable 4x4, it combines practicality with exceptional off-road capability. This example is further equipped with solid front and rear axles, an electric rear differential lock, and manual locking front hubs, providing excellent traction and performance in demanding conditions. It received a Grade 4 rating at a Japanese auction, has no accident history, is completely rust-free, and remains mechanically sound throughout. This truck stands out as a rare and highly collectible pickup that is equally suited for enthusiasts, collectors, or anyone seeking a dependable classic truck ready to be enjoyed. Number 7. 1955 Chevrolet pickup, price $30,000. It has been driven approximately 300 miles since its frame-off restoration and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a unique satin burgundy exterior with a matching burgundy interior, this gasoline-powered custom truck is powered by a 2017 Chevrolet LS376 Crate V8 producing 525 horsepower, paired with a matching 4L70E automatic transmission. The truck features power steering, power front disc brakes, a custom dual exhaust, a custom aluminum fuel tank, Mustang 2-style independent front suspension, rear helper airbags, and American Racing Torque thrust wheels. The exterior is highlighted by custom pinstriping, a custom chrome grille, polished trim, and a beautifully finished wood bed, while the interior includes a tuck-and-roll bench seat, locker floor shifter, new carpet, vintage turn signals, and under-dash AC and heat. Although it is ready to drive, a few restoration details remain, including non-functional gauges, an unconnected replica radio and dome light, an unfinished AC installation, minor issues with the glove box lock and passenger door handle, and a small crack on the hood. Number 8. 1968 Chevrolet C10, price $31,500. It has approximately 5,000 miles on its restoration build and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a striking orange exterior, this beautifully restored classic pickup has undergone a complete frame-off restoration and remains in excellent condition. Powered by a high-performance 383-stroker V8 engine, it delivers impressive performance and is paired with a Muncie 4-speed transmission. The truck also features a vintage air conditioning system, modern digital gauges, and front disc brakes for enhanced comfort and drivability. The truck runs and drives exceptionally well, with all lights functioning properly and every component reflecting the quality of its restoration. Its vibrant paint finish further enhances its appearance, making it a standout classic wherever it goes. This Chevrolet C10 represents a well-executed restoration that is ready to be enjoyed by its next owner. Number 9. 1968 Chevrolet C10, price $34,000. It has been driven approximately 15,000 miles since undergoing a complete off-frame restoration, with an estimated total mileage of around 60,000 miles. Equipped with an automatic transmission, this gasoline-powered classic pickup features a striking silver exterior and a clean, well-kept interior. The truck runs exceptionally well with no known mechanical issues and is fitted with power steering, providing a smooth and comfortable driving experience. It has been well maintained since its restoration and continues to perform reliably on the road, inside and out. The truck presents in excellent condition, reflecting the care it has received over the years. A standout feature is its clean wooden bed, which enhances the truck's classic appearance while remaining practical for everyday use or weekend shows. Combining dependable performance, tasteful restoration work, and timeless styling, this 1968 Chevrolet C10 is a solid example of a classic pickup that is ready to be driven and appreciated by its next owner. Number 10. 2002 Ford F150, price $32,499. It has been driven approximately 93,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a striking blue exterior with a clean gray interior, this well-maintained pickup is powered by a supercharged 5.4L V8 engine that delivers impressive performance. It features a lowered suspension, a cold air intake, and a brand new set of tires, making it both visually appealing and enjoyable to drive. The truck is exceptionally clean inside and out, reflecting the care it has received over the years. In addition to its strong mechanical condition and tasteful upgrades, this F-150 comes with a clean title and a clean Carfax report, providing added confidence for its next owner. Combining low mileage, performance enhancements, and excellent overall condition, this truck is a standout example of a well-kept 2002 Ford F-150 that is ready to be enjoyed.
Number 11.
2001 Chevrolet 1500, priced $21,995. It has been driven just 60,000 actual miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in green with a black interior, this gasoline-powered pickup has a clean vehicle history and has been carefully upgraded while retaining its original appeal. It comes with the original owner's manual, making it an excellent choice for collectors or anyone seeking a well-preserved Silverado. The truck has been fitted with long tube headers, Speed Engineering spark plug wires with heat sleeves, a Speed Engineering Y-pipe and 3-inch exhaust system, a Beltec rear shackle kit, an LS1 dual fan conversion kit, and a Banks air intake to enhance its performance. It also features new OE replica GM 20-inch wheels wrapped in new Michelin P255/50 or 20 tires, while the original factory chrome wheels with new tires are included in the sale. Additional upgrades include a new rough country tonneau cover.
Number 12.
1987 Chevrolet K30, price $18,500, finished in orange with a tan interior. Powered by a 5.3 LLS V8 engine paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission and a capable 4x4 drivetrain, this classic truck has been extensively rebuilt with many new or refurbished components. It has been driven approximately 12,000 miles and offers a solid combination of vintage styling, modern performance, and dependable capability. The truck has received numerous upgrades, including new 35-inch tires, a new exhaust system, new sheet metal, a new dashboard, new seat upholstery, new carpeting, and a complete new clutch kit.
Its interior is exceptionally clean, reflecting the care invested in the restoration.
With its refreshed mechanical and cosmetic condition, this Chevrolet K30 is well suited for collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone looking for a distinctive and well-built classic pickup.
Number 13.
1997 Ford F250, price $15,000. It has been driven approximately 205,000 miles and is powered by the legendary 7.3L Power-stroke diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain. Finished in gray with a matching gray interior, this well-maintained pickup is equipped with a factory tow package featuring a gooseneck ball. The truck is considered to be in good overall condition and has been consistently serviced throughout its life. The truck comes equipped with an Edge Evolution CTS2 programmer/tuner, a Pioneer Bluetooth radio, a toolbox, and an upgraded aftermarket turbocharger for improved performance.
Recent maintenance includes a new water pump,
vacuum pump, serpentine belt, throttle position sensor, ICP sensor, and transmission range sensor. The engine oil filter, and fuel filter have also been freshly replaced. Adding to its practicality, the air conditioning is fully functional and blows cold.
Number 14.
1971 Dodge Ram 2500, price $12,000. It has been driven approximately 25,000 miles and is equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission. Finished in red with a black interior, this gasoline-powered 4x4 is powered by a 360 V8 engine. It features a Dana 70 front axle, a Dana 60 rear axle, headers, power steering, and power brakes, making it a capable classic truck with solid off-road and utility potential. Originally used as a brush truck by the East Shelby, New York Fire Department, the truck runs as expected but does require a few minor repairs and cosmetic improvements. A new oil pan gasket is included and is ready to be installed. The underside of the bed has some rust but has been treated with fluid film for added protection. The exterior has a few scratches, the paint would benefit from buffing, and the front end is due for an alignment.
Number 15.
1997 Ford F350, price $15,000. It has been driven approximately 154,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in green with a gray interior, this two-wheel drive pickup is powered by the dependable 7.3L Power-stroke diesel engine. It has been well maintained, always stored indoors during the winter months, and treated underneath with corrosion-free rust protection to help preserve its condition. Recent maintenance includes new tires, front rotors and calipers, a new water pump, belt and idler pulleys, glow plugs, batteries, and a glow plug relay. The truck runs and drives well, with everything functioning as it should except for the lumbar airbags, which are believed to need minor airline repairs. It also has a cracked windshield.